Encountering a no-signal message on your Xfinity Xumo box usually points to issues with HDMI connections, HDCP, or resolution mismatches. Start by checking your HDMI cable. Ensure it's securely connected to both the Xumo box and your TV. If possible, use a certified HDMI 1.4 cable for HD or HDMI 2.0 for 4K. Inspect the HDMI ports for damage or corrosion, especially in humid environments. If the physical connections are fine, the problem might be HDCP, a protocol that prevents content piracy. To fix HDCP issues, ensure your Xumo box firmware is up to date. Comcast frequently releases updates to enhance HDCP compatibility and resolve handshake failures with TVs. You can check for updates via the Xfinity app or the Xumo box settings menu. If problems persist, try a different HDMI port on your TV, as some ports may have better HDCP support than others. If basic checks don't resolve the issue, focus on resolution settings. The Xumo box usually auto-detects the optimal resolution, but mismatches can occur, especially if your TV doesn't support 4K. If you continue to have issues, perform a restart on your Xumo box to reset the detection. For persistent problems, use the Xfinity app to run remote diagnostics. This can identify underlying issues and provide targeted solutions. In rare cases, environmental factors like humidity can corrode HDMI ports, requiring a warranty replacement if cleaning doesn't work.